Going over OCGN here, current price is 57 cents. The overall market is shaky right now, and OCGN is also down 3%. There's supposed to be a conference call today for Ocugen, so just definitely keep an eye out for a potential big move if they release any information on the business updates. And again, feel free to do your own due diligence, or you can join the Discord, link down below in the description. There's a handful of people sharing Ocugen due diligence for free on the Discord if you want to check it out. Okay, I'll leave it down in the pinned comments and also in the description of the video. Now, I just want to share with you guys the potential support levels and also resistance levels to keep an eye out for OCGN in case there is a big move. Personally, I'm expecting a big move for OCGN. I just can't tell you exactly if it's going to be up or down, but I will tell you the potential implied move towards the downside and the top side. I'm just going to be sharing some potential loading zones and also selling zones. There could be more resistance where there's a lot more selling pressure, and also support levels where there's more buying pressure. Okay, obviously you can see that we're on a downtrend. We've been making lower highs and lower lows, so that's something to definitely keep an eye out for. Now that you've already seen that, right, we already know we're going to potentially break out of one of these upside or downside. I think we're going to have a breakout here pretty soon, in my opinion. Either we break down towards the bottom side and break out of this trend, or we break out towards the top side. And if we do break out towards the top side, just want to keep an eye out for 72 cents, right? We were there just recently here. So 72 cents is going to be about a 23% move from where we're at currently. If we are able to break above the 200 EMA on the daily chart, so that's going to be about a 60% move, then I would personally keep an eye out for $1 for OCGN. So that's where those $1 leap calls could potentially be in the money. Something to definitely keep an eye out for, all right? I'll go over more of the upside movement in just a sec here. Just want to go over the downside real quick. That way we can get it over with. This should be a lot quicker. Currently at 57. If there is a bigger move towards the downside, I would caution on possibly 34 cents here being tested, right? 34 cents here is going to be about a 40% drop. This would, in my opinion, be one of the more worse or bearish case scenarios. Now, in a simpler form, basically a short-term pullback, if we continue to have this continuation of a sell-off, then that move could go down to about 49 cents, a 13% drop, right? If you're looking for an explosive move down, 34 cents is about a 38 or 40% move down. Now, short-term move up, I do think we get that recovery at least to 72 cents. This is just my opinion. This is what I'm leaning towards. A potential move back up towards 72 cents. And then if you're looking for a big move up, possibly between 65 to about 77% move up. And again, it's going to be between 95 and about $1. Really depends on what they say with the conference today, but I think this stock is just based off of Catalyst, and you definitely want to be up to date with it and know what you own, right? This stock also has a lot of volatility. When it does spike up, watch out for a potential sell-off. I'm going to share with you those resistances now in case we reach those levels. You can expect to see possibly a pullback at one of these levels. All right, so $1 is one, 122, 143, 169, and then of course that recent high there of $2.10. If for some reason we do spike up towards $2.10, I'm not saying it's impossible, but if we do test those levels from our current prices, that's going to be about a 270% run. Just a heads up, right? Lastly, if you're looking for our live entries and exits, you can join our Patreon. We do have a 90% off permanent discount. We're celebrating our 5-year anniversary at Bullish Raid, so if that's something you're interested in, highly recommend joining the Patreon for live entries and exits on stocks and options from 20 analysts. Some of us are loading into OCGN between these ranges of 49 and 72 cents. That's not financial advice. We're just sharing our personal opinion and personal trade ideas. Do what you want with that information and be very careful with the stock market. Just know that none of us are professionals. We're just sharing our personal trade ideas and opinions, all right? In terms of reversal, that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a move between 72 and about $1 minimally. And then, of course, potentially that long-term test of $2.10. That's just in the realm of possibility. Not saying it's impossible, but it is possible we might see a breakup towards 210. Thanks for watching, you guys. We'll see you on the next video for OCGN.